Now, in yet another video of the Scrambler 400 and the Himalayan, we're going to talk about the performance of the motorcycles. 0 to 60, 0 to 100 with my weight, and then the top speeds in the first 4 gear and also the roll-on figures. Roll-ons basically जो mid range होती है या low end होता है वो कैसा है? So third gear में, fourth gear में, fifth gear में and sixth gear में. So कौन सी बाइक fast है? कौन सी बाइक torky है? कौन सी बाइक quick है? Well, देखिए for yourself. First, the 0 to 120 acceleration of both the bikes. Let's start with the bigger Himalayan 450. This is pretty quick for an Enfield. Can the Scrambler match up? Well, let's see. The Himalayan sure has an edge in the beginning, staying quicker to 100. However, the Scrambler starts catching up post that. Still a very close battle. Now what about roll-on figures or the low-end punch that we require in city limits? Well, let's start with the Himalayan first. And now the Scrambler 400X. Will the shorter gearing help? As expected, shorter gearing on the Scrambler comes in handy and the bike is quicker in every single roll-on across the gears. This bike indeed is peppier and more responsive for urban runs. And now the top speeds in the first 4 gears. The Himalayan has taller gearing and this is evident in the speeds. See for yourself. And now the Scrambler. Yes, downside of the shorter gearing is the limited speed in each gear. Does that hamper the cruising speeds? Let's see. Seen, the Himalayan's engine is at 4350 rpm at 90 kmph and 5000 rpm at 100 kmph. Next, the Scram. As expected, The Scrambler's engine runs about 550 rpm higher at 90 kmph and 600 rpm higher at 100 kmph. The good part, well, the engine is not as vibey as the Himalayan's unit. So there you go. The Himalayan is quicker in outright acceleration and runs at lower RPM for highway speeds. But the Scrambler is peppier and better suited for urban runs. Guys, do not miss the exclusive video on the exhaust note and the engine sound of both the bikes. The link is right below in the description section.